Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for the management of hair pulling. Today's video is just one video in a series of different strategies to help reduce or stop hair pulling. Today's focus will be on blocking. Now, there are many ways to block the hand from actually reaching the hair or the eyelashes or even the eyebrows. So if we're dealing with hair, you can do things like wear hats, wear bandanas, just put some type of a surface in between your hand and your actual hair. In really extreme cases, some people might want to wear a wig so that they're not actually pulling out their own natural hair. For sleeping, you can sleep with a hoodie on or another type of really comfortable hat, and that can certainly help provide a block from the hand to the hair. If eyelashes or the eye region is a problem, wearing sunglasses, wearing some type of big glasses. Certainly, you don't need a glasses prescription to wear glasses. They could be just glasses that have no prescription, but some kind of a block to get the hand from touching that eye region will be important. So the blocking methods can be very useful for people if they really need some type of a surface to actually stop them from reaching up to the head or, again, reaching around the eye region in the eyelash region. So try blocking. You can use it as a complement to the other strategies that you'll be seeing in this video series. So again, this is just one method, and you can mix methods up and change them from day to day, just depending on what seems to be needed at the moment. Thank you.